So I just went to Harbor Freight and I picked up this Portland 1.5 peak horsepower pole saw. Wonder if this thing is any good. So we're gonna test that out in today's video. I bought it for a job to cut some branches down on one of my neighbor's trees. And I was thinking to myself, I went ahead and started to open it. I said, you know what? Let's do a review video on this right here. I paid for it out of pocket, was not sponsored, okay? And let's see if it's any good for what it is. It was on sale today for 65 bucks. It was on sale yesterday for 49, so I should have went yesterday, but I didn't. But anyways, I went ahead and opened it up here. I'm not taking it out yet. Let's see exactly what it comes with here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. A tool bag here of some sort. We'll open this right here up in just a minute. That's already broke there. Should be all right. If this lasts one job, I'd be happy, but let's see exactly what this right here looks like and what it does. So the bag is sealed here. So if we're gonna do this one-handed or not. We have an Oregon chain. We have a little tool. We have a little bar cover. I believe this is the bar itself here. It's a little Oregon bar. Double guard 91. I'm gonna go ahead and try to shoot this video entirely one-handed if I can. Just using the tool to take this cover off. And first thing I notice is this right here. I need to adjust that bolt there and move it all the way back. There we go. That looks pretty good there. Then we can tighten it up to tighten the chain up on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take the chain out off of camera because it's gonna be hard to open it up, put it onto the bar and everything with one hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll pick you back up in just a second. All right, went ahead and set you guys up on a tripod. The easiest thing to do. We're gonna open this thing together. Check it out. Definitely needs to be tightened up some. We need to put some oil in here. The good thing about the oil is down over here, you have a minimum and a full mark here, or not a full mark, but you have a minimum mark over here, and you can see it there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some bar oil and fill that up. All right, I got some steel bar and chain oil. Try to do this without spilling it and just take our time. Yep, I spilled it. All right, got it full. Let's wipe it down and start using it. So right now, it's about 6 foot in length, I would say. wants us to unlock it this right here way. That is the tallest link there, so not sure if you guys can see that or not, but it does have some weight on it. I believe the motor and everything's down here, and this down here is just a switch. So on this tree here, they were asking me just to trim it, you know, on the bottom of it, and that's what we basically got this pole saw for. We're gonna come right here and trim this right here up. We got a tree over here that's kind of not leaning on the house, but it's got some branches on the house. They want that taken care of too. And another tree on the other side of the property. So let's just see if this old saw would do the trick or if I just bought a piece of junk. So it is, guys. It's been a few weeks now. I've been putting it to work. You can see how dirty it is. I was shocked when I pulled it out of the box and it had an Oregon chain and an Oregon bar on it. Now I will say that the chain did jump off the bar like maybe 2 or 3 times during the process, and I probably filled the tank up, I don't know, 5 or 6 times. I like the fact that it is electric. Okay, so I can start and stop it directly through the handle here. You did see that the foam was cracked when I got it out of the box. You know, that kind of stuff doesn't matter to me. I know it's a tool, I'm going to be using it as long as it works, and it did. The plug here, it was fine. It didn't really come unplugged any. I did use an extension cord that was kind of wore out, but this right here seemed to work fine. As you can tell, I've got scratches on it because, you know, it's a tool and I've been using it. I guess I'm still shocked that it has an Oregon bar and an Oregon chain. You know, I can find stuff. I can find those replacements just about anywhere, I believe. I haven't really looked for them, but I should be able to find them just about anywhere. Now, I did finish those 3 trees at that neighbor's property. And then I was cutting grass for another neighbor. Guys, I like to cut grass. It's just nature in me. And I should start a YouTube channel just for cutting grass, because I'd probably enjoy that probably more than anything. But I was cutting his yard, and he was asking me about the other neighbor's trees. So I've cut 2 additional trees for neighbors, and I cut my mother-in-law's oak in her backyard. You know, I didn't cut it down or anything, but we cleaned it up around the bottom so you can walk under it and everything. So this really shocked me, not going to lie to you. This has really surprised me. I just wish I would have got it on sale for a little bit cheaper the day before. However, 65 bucks, can't really complain. I liked the fact that it's electric, that, you know, I can start and stop it just as easy. I don't have to crank it up and let it run or whatever. So yep, other than that, the saw did not bog down on anything. I think the biggest limb that I've cut right now has been about 4.5 inches in diameter. At my mother-in-law's house, it didn't bog down really. It had enough power. I was really concerned about it bogging down or burning up, but it didn't. I did not really make an outro video, so I wanted to tell you guys that. But if you're looking at getting one of these pole saws from Harbor Freight, I would suggest it. Try to find it on sale though. Like I said, I got it for 65 bucks. However, the day before, they was on sale for 49, I believe, or something like that. But anyways, so it is. Appreciate you guys watching today's video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And until next time, we'll see y'all later.